up you guys, it's Meryl. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, we are going to do my very first shopping haul. Lavalle Village is an outdoor shopping center in the suburbs of Paris, and it is home to more than 100 outlet boutiques. Some of the brands you can find there are Ralph Lauren, Hugo Boss, Max Mara, Gucci, Prada, Givenchy, Balenciaga, and many more. Because it is an outlet store, all of the items for sale are already sold at discounted prices. However, you can have more discounts by doing the following tips. Sign up as a member of their Privilege program. Show the concierge your foreign visa card and get extra 10% off on most of the shops except Gucci, Prada, Max Mara, etc. Go during sale season in France. This includes the months of July, January, French days, and Black Friday. Bring your passport and always ask for tax refunds. So I'm going to start with the smaller ones because I needed to change some of my underwear and I decided to buy from Klein. So I did get some sports stuff and just some regular everyday underwear because they were really on sale. So they're matching. So it's a top and a bottom and it's for sports. Next, I got regular hipster underwear, which I'm probably gonna show you guys. It's gonna be a bit awkward. So I got 4 of these. So these are also Calvin Klein hipsters. They're super comfortable. It's really nice if you're just staying at home. So if you guys don't know Maje, it's actually in the same group as Sandra, De Fursac, Claudie Parlot, and it's actually from a very French group. I got a poncho, and the reason why I got this is because most of my jackets or coats are really for winter, and I don't have much of the mid-season or like autumn and spring jacket. So I decided to just get a poncho so I could just wear a sweater and then put this over. Sorry, covered myself. And then just put this over a sweater, and it's supposed to be really chic. The next thing I got are winter shoes, and I really do need winter shoes for this season because last season I broke the heel of 2 boots. So I'm just replacing them. I'm not very excessive. I just try to keep basics like black bottine and brown bottines. So that's what I got for this winter. First, I got Giuseppe Zanotti. I think it's an Italian brand and Italian designer. I was very lucky because they only had it in size 36 and 40 and I am size 36. So this is the box. So it also comes with a dust bag. Voila! It's just the black boots. It's just for like every day to go to the office for winter. The heels are not very high, which I really liked, and it's chunky. So if you're walking on cobblestones, it won't break. The next thing I got is Repetto. They're actually known in the ballet world. I think they were the ones who invented ballerine, or like ballet flats as we know it in English. It's actually handmade. It's made out of leather, even the bottom of the shoes, and it's really high quality. It's meant to last for years. So when I do buy pricey things, I do make sure that they are of high quality so that they can last for a long time. And that's the reason why I stick to browns and blacks and to classic colors, because then you can use it for years. And it's easy to match and it's easy to pair with different types of outfits. So here's the box, Repetto. And then you also have like a tiny letter here, French. So this is the dust bag. It's this one. It's size 36 also. And it's super nice because it's also for the office for winter. The bottom is also leather, so it's meant to last for years. So I think that's it. Now we're gonna go to the bags. And I did go to Prada. It looks like the paper bags have been through a lot because I did take the metro to go to the outlet store because it's super far. And it's actually the fastest way to get there. So for Prada, I also got 1 pair of shoes, but it's for summer. This is the box. So these are my Prada shoes. I got them in size 35, and the reason why I bought them is because I broke my black ballet flats that I really love using for summer, and it's very convenient to run on flats, and that's why I bought this. I got this in size 35 because it was the last one, although it does fit me and it's quite comfortable. So the next thing I'm gonna show you is really a steal. I got myself a Prada Sling Bag with gold chain. For this one, I really had so much discounts, and I'm going to show you. So this is the dust bag. Normally in the outlet stores, you don't get the box anymore, but at least you get the dust bag. That's the important thing because that's how you can protect your bag from deteriorating in the closet. So this is what it looks like. And it has a gold chain, and the straps are actually adjustable. So this is a sling bag. From the retail price, I believe that I got more than 70 to 80% discount, and that doesn't even include the tax refund that you can get. So I really think it's worth it, and I'm so excited to use it. And the size is really like, it's not super small. It's a bit smaller than a camera bag, but I really like it in black. There was also a pink one which I also got, but it's not really for me. Somebody asked me to buy it for them because it's really worth it. These are called Prada Bandoliera Soft Calf Impugnature Pionia. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right because it's written in Italian. For these two, actually the outlet price was already at 30 to 40% cheaper than the retail price. And on top of that, I got an extra 30% from the outlet price because they were on special price. Alright, the last bags that I'm gonna show you, they're actually the same, but I got two, one for me and one for my brother's fiance, my future sister-in-law. Hi, if you're watching this. I'm including your bag in the haul. This is actually the last two they had in the shop, so I was very lucky. I was offering it to her and then I got jealous, so I bought one for myself too. And I know that I know how fast the stocks disappear, so that's why I got it. And I really think it's a classic color, so it would match the shoes I bought and my coat. That's the real reason. So this is actually the Prada Balletto Saffiano Lux in Caramel. So these are our matching bags. We're twinning, and this is my bag and this is her bag. And from the retail price, I think it's also about 80% discount. The outlet price was already at 40 to 50%, a bit more actually, 60% of the retail price. And on top of that, the outlet price was on additional 30% off because it was on special price, and it was only this color that they were selling at the special price. So I think it was really meant to be. What I like about this one is it has detachable sling. So in fact, it's a handbag. You can also make it a sling bag, and you could just attach it here like that, and it's really nice. So that's it, you guys. I really hope that you liked the haul, and I hope you learned some tips and tricks to get designer items at a better price here in Europe. I do encourage you to shop in Europe instead of the Philippines because it's definitely much cheaper and you can get tax reductions. Thank you guys so much for watching, and till my next vlog!